Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove OneDrive from Windows 11. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're gonna find the Start menu. Go ahead and click on Start and then go ahead and search for settings. If you don't find this right here, go ahead and type settings. And then go ahead and click on it. Then once you do that, right here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, gaming, accessibility, privacy and security, and lastly, Windows Update. Go ahead and click on apps. And then right here, you're going to find your installed apps. You're going to find advanced app settings, default app, offline maps, apps for websites, video playback, and lastly, startup. Go ahead and click on installed apps and then just wait for it to load. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of the installed applications on your computer. So right now, go ahead and scroll down until you find OneDrive, or you can just go to the search bar here in the top and then type OneDrive. Once you do that, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Microsoft OneDrive. So basically, guys, once you find it, just go ahead and click on these three dots here in the right. And then here, you're going to find Modify and also Uninstall. Go ahead and click on Uninstall. And then right here, as you can see, guys, they're going to tell you that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. If you are sure about uninstalling OneDrive, just go ahead and click on Uninstall. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.